damaging winds, and heavy rainfall in the evening. Severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 795, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Pike County, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 795 has been issued from 1:25 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following county: Pike County, Pennsylvania. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for northeastern Pennsylvania and the nearby areas. Station WXL 39 from Allentown, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.40 MHz.